His is DeepFaceLab-Next. If you don't know what this tool is, it's a powerful face swapping tool that can be used to train a model using your own face datasets. In my previous video, I showed you how to get DeepFaceLab-Next and how to create and prepare your dataset. In this video, we're moving on to the next step, training the model. I'll show you the important training settings, explain what they do, and guide you through the training process. If you haven't watched the previous video, I've posted the link in the description, so check it out first and get your dataset ready. If you already got your dataset ready, let's move on to DFM training process. In Workflow option, choose Train Model option. This is very important to know, and if you understand this training process will be easy for you. This first option, source face, is face you want to look like. The first dataset you made was source face dataset. Choose that dataset allocated folder here where you have deleted bad frames if you remember. Now the second folder you got to choose, which was your dataset. Choose same allocated folder where you deleted bad frames of yours if you remember. For third option, create a new folder anywhere you want, name it model, and choose here. For model, choose Sahid. Choose a name for your model. Leave GPU 0 and start workflow. Now these model settings are very important. Your DFM model all depend on this. Auto backup every an hour, choose default by hitting enter in prompt section. Write preview history default. Target iteration default. Flip SRC faces default. Flip DST faces default. Batch size type 2 in prompt and hit enter. This is very important. If you got under 6 GB graphic card, choose 128. If 6 to 10, choose 256. If 10 to 12, choose 388 or 488. For 512, you need to have at least 24 GB graphic card. I am going to train 256. Type resolution and hit enter. Face type, choose exactly same you choose during dataset, which was whole face. Type WF and hit enter. LIUD default. Auto encounter default. Encounter default. Decoder default. Decoder mask default. Mask training default. Eyes and mouth priority, choose yes for that. Uniform ya default. Blur out mask default. Place models on optimizer default. Use ADA belief default. And rest of these options default. Now that your model created, it will take few minutes to load. If you find a pre-trained model instead of model folder, put it in a folder and choose that folder before running workflow. Once lit rations start, you will get a preview window. By pressing P key, you can update preview. With space key, you can change mask preview. This training process is very long. It's up to you how long you want to train. I have trained 10 million once. It took me 5 days. If you press S key, this process will be saved. By hitting enter, your process will end. If somehow your process stop, it's very important to remember what settings you have chosen when you train model. And that's it for this DeepFaceLab-Next training video. Let your model continue training and give it enough time to improve the results. In the next video, I'll show you what to do after the training is finished and how to continue with the next stage of the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.